If you're dreaming of studying in the vibrant city of San Francisco, we've got something special for you. Valencia Student Accommodation, your ultimate starting point for college life. Offering a variety of all-inclusive co-living suites from one-bedroom apartment to five-bedroom apartment, Valencia buzzes with young energy. Enjoy spacious sunlit private bedrooms with plush beds, sleek bedside tables, and large windows. Need to conquer assignments or catch up on your latest Netflix binge? Dive into the free high-speed Wi-Fi and make it happen. But that's not all. Valencia is not just about a bed and a desk. We're talking communal events that spark connections, regular cleaning to keep things fresh, and on-site laundry facilities to make daily chores a breeze. And as for location, Valencia sits conveniently close to both University of California and University of San Francisco, making it a hot favorite among students. Post-college munchies? Head to Martha's Restaurant or Mel's Drive-In. And when the weekend hits, explore the wonders of Union Square or Yerba Buena Gardens. Just hop on a bus from right-of-way Liberty Street or 21st Street bus stop. Ready to take the first step towards your dream life? Don't miss out. Book your stay at Valencia Student Accommodation through amberstudent.com.